How to remove background noise in Audiate. First of all, open your Audiate project and make sure your audio is already recorded or imported into the timeline. Once you have got that ready, click on the audio track and select all or just a specific section by dragging your mouse or pressing Ctrl+A to highlight the part where you want to remove the background noise. You will notice the waveform gets highlighted, showing that your selection is active. Next, head to the bottom right corner of the screen where you will find the Toggle Properties panel. Click on it to expand the settings. Now you will see the effects section. Click the plus icon under it to open the list of available effects. From this list, choose Remove Noise. This instantly applies the effect to your selected audio. Once it's applied, you will see an amount slider appear. This lets you control how much noise reduction you want. If you turn it up too high, your voice may start to sound robotic or overly filtered. Too low, and some background noise might still come through. At the top of the effect panel, you will also find preset options: low, medium, and high. These are quick start settings you can use, or you can tweak and save your own preset for future projects. After that, press play to listen in real time. Make small adjustments to the amount slider until the audio sounds clean but still natural. Lastly, once you are satisfied with the result, don't forget to save your project and export it. That way, your final audio includes all the noise removal you just applied. And that's it. Now you know how to remove background noise in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.